You know, it's funny how a lot of people don't really realize that this device that you normally have in your hand is super powerful. It can make you money, it can give you more freedom, it can help you spend time with your own ones, and even travel if that's what you want. But instead, most people just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Most people spend about 1 to 4 hours a day scrolling, but they don't actually do anything productive with that. The phone plus the internet, it's life-changing tools if you use them right. You can do a lot of money if you just can use them right. If you, uh, if it, try to ask yourself this, okay? How can I leverage this phone, okay? This phone, okay? How can I leverage this to replace or at least supplement my income, okay, that I get every day or every month? How can I leverage this to replace or at least supplement the income I earn, okay? And how can this be at least a little bit leveraged or automated, okay? So we don't have to spend hours and hours and hours to come up with more income, okay? So there are a lot of options to do this. You can use your phone and become an influencer if you want to, okay? It's a bit difficult, but you can do it if you put your will to do that, okay? You can also become a YouTube automation guy, okay? You can do drop shipping, you can do e-commerce, you can do Amazon FBA, you can do marketing like I do, okay? You can sell your products, or maybe you just sell someone else's products and get a commission for that, okay? You can also do um, TikTok shop and affiliate promotions if you want to, okay? But if you can market online, if you can do this kind of stuff I do every day, you can do it on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. But if you can really master this skill and learn how to do this, you can generate sales, okay? So instead of just doom scrolling for 1 to 3 or 4 hours a day, why can you just start learning how to master social media for business, okay? So you can sell other people's products like I do. You can go to a network. It's called a network, but it's like a usual website where brands put their products to sell there. And they are looking for people that are willing to promote those products and earn a commission, okay? That's called affiliate marketing. And if you want to do it digitally, let's say only sell digital products, because it's really easier to do, and you don't have to spend time worrying about shipment or customer inquiries. Uh, you can do that with digital products. You can go to a network like ClickBank, for instance, and there are thousands of brands there that are looking for people to promote those products. Okay, so you just grab one special link, you promote it, and if someone buys, you earn a commission. You don't need to source products, which saves you time and money. And when you deal with physical products, the margins are too low. Maybe you make like 3 to 5% commission if you sell a product from Amazon, for instance. But if you sell digital products, and this is called digital affiliate marketing, you can do 40 to sometimes 80 or more percent commissions. So let's say you sell um, $500 product, okay? If you made $400 every time you make a sale, let's try to imagine just how many of those sales you have to do. If you do like two sales a day, you'll be almost at $1,000 a day. And yes, this is something you have to learn. This is a skill. It will take some time, but it's better wasting time doing this because it will be yours. It's a skill that will be yours for the rest of your life than wasting like 4 hours scrolling on TikTok or something else. Okay, so which sounds better for you? Learning a skill, leveraging your phone and the internet, or doom scrolling and staying stuck in your 9 to 5 forever? For me, this was easy to make the decision because uh, I was really low pay when I started when I was a kid, and I needed some more income. Okay, so I started by selling cars whenever I was out of my 9 to 5. So I will work until 5, and then afterwards I will work 2 to 3 more hours selling cars for a car lot. Okay, and with the internet coming up, because I'm too old and I'm pre-internet, I started looking for monies to do that online. So I've done drop shipping, I've done e-commerce, I've done other things that you won't understand, like PBNs and traffic arbitrage. Those are more complicated things, but I've done uh, everything and else, right? And unfortunately or fortunately, I don't really know, it all worked for me because I'm a persistent guy. So um, if I go do something, it will work because I'm persistent enough to make it work. Okay, but the one that really made all the difference where was there I was like, let's say I was doing e-commerce. Okay, so I was selling products, but I was selling physical products. Okay, and then after some time I got hit by COVID that killed that business. Okay, and when I tried to do it again, the margins were so low that I couldn't have profit. Okay, so I started looking for other ways to do this, and digital products is the way to go because the margins are high enough so you can be promoting them. Okay, and making sales, and when you make a sale you make a commission and that's profit. Okay, so I've done that in December 2023. I've started doing only digital products. I left everything else, and in that year 2024, in the year of 2024, it was my first 100K a year that I ever made in my life. Okay, uh, we were in the really bad position financially, and that helped us a lot. Uh, so every time you feel like you're doom scrolling, just come to this video, watch it again, and think of this like, how can I become productive today with the phone? Okay, and make this make me money. Okay, how can I do this? Think like that, and every time you feel like doom scrolling, replay this video and do this. Okay, so go ahead, like this video, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. And if you're not following me, I post daily content to help you change your life. You can follow me right here, and see you soon.